Here's the overall pattern for the coming week. You can see from the Friday close to the Sunday evening open, the energy has moved up. So we're going to open as the energy is coming to a peak. And then we've got a gradual downdrift into late on the 14th on the green line. We push back up until about 3:15, 15:15 on the 15th, about an hour before the close. And then we drift down late to the 16th, and then we've got an updrift on Friday the 17th. The green line is pretty much going to be below the zero line the whole week. Always take the blue line peaks as potential turning points, the peaks and low spikes that I'm highlighting here with my cursor. When these get outside the 10 line, they're more reliable than when they're inside the 10 line. So keep that in mind. So these are going to be the main peaks. For example, on the 12th, 1951, 2338. On the 13th, we come to about 5:30 in the morning. These three near the zero, these three here wrapped right around the zero line may not indicate much. Then we have right at the reopen 1806, 2221, September 14th, 6:51 a.m., 9:20 right before the open. Valley at 1639, moving to the 15th, 2:02 a.m. I'm going to disregard these. I'm going to take this one, 1502, 1802, and then on the 16th we've got 128, and then we push down and we kind of go flat there on the blue line, but the green line has a pretty strong push down there on the 16th. And then as we come into that Friday action again, we kind of have a long flat on both lines. So that could be, anything could happen in there because there's no dominant astro energy. Let's take a quick look back at the timing window from yesterday. Here's the Vedic timing window. I had this marked out on yesterday's video. Gave you these 2 points as being likely important keys. Now in the beginning of the A2 panel green block and the smaller bright green block above it here, anywhere in that window we're going to likely expect a potential significant turn. Oh, we got it. We got the high of the day right at the beginning of the window. And then what happened? We got this waterfall decline right into the white block on the A1. And that was a little bit of a triple wick, triple bottom here, with all three lows being at about the same level. Then we expected to get a bounce back rally on that, which happened. So we had that went from 17 down to 77. So we got a 30-some point drop. We got a 20-point, rally back, and then we tanked out into the end of the day. And where did the reversal come? Right at the end of the A2 green black window. Now those are always key points. So those of you who have these tools, keep that in mind. Those of you who don't have these tools should get them. Okay, that's it for today. We'll be back again Sunday with another video. We'll see you then.